Hi, I'm Marshall Rader. I'm the CEO of the GFB, the gluten-free bar here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. We make a few products here. Number one, our first product was bars. We make 6 flavors of bars today. We also make 6 flavors of bites, which are similar to nutrition profile, but they're in a round shape, kind of look like a truffle. And then we also make Power Breakfast, which is an oatmeal-based, higher protein breakfast product. If you came and saw our facility today, you'd see something that resembles a big version of your kitchen. We make in small batches, between 100 and 125 pounds, in a mixer that'd be similar to what you'd use at home. And then from there, we use the eating equipment to portion the bars and bites into the right size and weight. And that really allows us to serve all of our customers and make the quantity that we need to make. So the manufacturing method we had before partnering with Egan, the bars, we actually use rolling pins in steel pans, believe it or not. We did that for a couple of years until we got going, and then we got our first piece of Egan equipment, and it really allowed us to expand our distribution and get into more customers. We had a few special considerations when looking at new equipment. Prime among those was maintaining quality, taste and texture of the product, because we were going from essentially a handmade process, and how do we maintain that same quality when moving to larger scale manufacturing. And so we looked at a lot of machines and felt like the Egan machine offered the best capability to do that and potentially enhance our product quality. In terms of production volume, a lot's changed. When we before we had Egan equipment in here, we would do maybe 400 to 500 pounds of product a day, and now it can get in the range of 10 to 15,000 pounds of product. So a lot's changed, our business has changed, and so have our customers, but the equipment's really helped us do that. I would definitely recommend Egan to other companies. The service has been strong, support's been good, and I feel like it's helped us maintain and grow our quality product.